Welcome to the Cruising Addicts channel. Today we're exploring Parliament Square in historic Nassau. Sit back and enjoy the video, hit that thumbs up button liking this video, and subscribe to our channel for more cruise and travel content. Don't forget to check out our website cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of Nassau's most historic and completely free attractions. And the best part? It's a short walk from the cruise ship. We're checking out Parliament Square, the Supreme Court of the Bahamas, the Nassau Public Library, and the House of Assembly. If you're looking for a quick, scenic, and totally budget-friendly stop in Nassau, this is the perfect spot.
So Parliament Square, it's a very short walk, but there's a bunch of historic buildings here that you can see in my background, and this very prominent statue. Beautiful place. So if you have a few minutes and you want to exit the cruise port, it's just a short walk, not even a quarter of a mile, and definitely worth taking the time. It's a great photo opportunity. It doesn't cost anything, it's free, and I definitely would recommend it.
Once you step off your cruise ship, Parliament Square is only about a 5 to 7 minute walk away. Just head straight through the port's exit and follow the main street towards the pink colonial buildings. You really can't miss them. This is Parliament Square, one of the most photographed locations in all of Nassau. The bright pink government buildings were built in the early 1800s and are classic examples of British colonial architecture. They're beautiful, vibrant, and make an incredible backdrop for photos, so get those cameras ready. Right here in the center of the square is the statue of Queen Victoria, surrounded by the House of Assembly and the Senate buildings. These are still active government buildings today, giving you a real look at the political heart of the Bahamas. Even if you're just stopping for a quick visit, the architecture alone is worth seeing. Just off the square is the Supreme Court of the Bahamas, another stunning pink building dating back to the early 1900s. You'll notice the colonial style continues here. Tall shutters, white trim, and that signature Bahamian pastel color that pops in your photos. A short walk away is the Nassau Public Library and Museum, one of the most unique structures on the island. This octagon-shaped building was originally a jail before it was converted into a library. Its shape, color, and history make it one of Nassau's most interesting hidden gems.
They just celebrated their National Veterans Day, and it was just recent, and they have a monument here that honors all of their vets from the world wars and past wars that they participated in.
If you're cruising to Nassau, Parliament Square is the perfect quick stop. It's free, it's easy to get to, and you can explore several historic sites in under 1 hour. Whether you're into architecture, history, photography, or just want a great backdrop for your vacation photos, this spot is a must visit. If you're stopping here on your next cruise, don't skip Parliament Square. It's one of the easiest and prettiest places to visit near the port. We've included some links to our favorite shore excursions for Nassau, Bahamas in the video description below. Also, don't forget to check out our video featuring the top 5 free or low-cost things to do in Nassau, Bahamas. We'll include a link in the video description below. Thanks for joining us as we explored the historic heart of Nassau. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more cruise and travel tips, and drop a comment if you visited Nassau before. See you in the next adventure.